Land Ho! Time to shove off!
What? Why?
Well, I can't have you pooping all over my restaurant, can I?
Restaurant? I thought this was a pirate ship.
Oh, it is. But it is also... my very own food truck!
What?
You know, a restaurant on wheels.
Like a garbage truck.
Now, are you trying to scare away my customers?
Well, we're not leaving till we see how the story ends.
No problem. You guys like a little snack while you wait?
Sure, I'll take a curdle milk
How about a fish head?
and a french fry covered in sand.
Who wants some... hot wing?
Wait a minute, where's Kyle?
Which one of you is next?
You're crazy, man! You're crazy!
Bye-bye, Mr. Poop. Now I can get my gold sticker. Oh, hey, Mr. Pirate. I wouldn't go in there if I were you. I can't fly without my feathers.
Where to, Mac?
Just drive.